Come here, Finn. Oh, Finn! No! Bring it over here. Mom wants me to do it for you.
Oh, wow!
What? Oh, it's a basketball. Oh, good throw, Finn. Good throw, Finn. Here, catch. Finn. Can you catch? Finn. 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 What is that? Thank you.
Mommy.
What do I have in this?
Ball.
I have a ball in it. You want it?
Yay! Mommy.
Mommy wants it? Or you want Mommy to have that one?
Danke.